All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna really start promoting that it's cool to train. Now, what do I mean by that? So many people in our industry don't train on not only how to take phone calls, but how to object to price objections. So we wanna first start by seeing how some of these shops that we're gonna call at random handle the phone call. And then, I'm not gonna intentionally beat them up, but I'm gonna do a standard price objection. I need to think about it. I'm gonna continue to call around, and we're gonna see how some of these shops handle it. And then I might give a few tips on how I would handle it. But you guys, I cannot stress this enough. It's not lame to train. It's lame to not train and expect that you and your team are ready to overcome objections. So let's go ahead and call this shop. Now it is the day before Christmas Eve, so they may or may not pick up.
Thank you for choosing price.
Hey, I was wondering if I could get a price quote.
Yeah, of course.
I've got a Prius, a 2008 Prius. I'm looking to have the whole thing tinted.
Does it have anything right now? Any window tint?
I don't believe so, no.
Okay. And do you want to include the windshield?
No, I was just wanting to do everything except the windshield.
So we can do your vehicle, depending on the material that you choose. Our prices start at $240 with the carbon, which would be any shade lifetime warranty. It's more for looks, and it does have a bit of heat rejection. But if you're interested in ceramic, you get a better product with more heat protection.
And how much is the ceramic?
So if you want to upgrade to the ceramic, you go up to $420, so $180 more.
And what would you say is the number one thing that makes you guys different from your competitors?
I would just say the experience. We're one of the pioneers, the brand that we use, and our availability.
What brand do you guys use for window film?
It's called XPEL. It's a more advanced, leading performing brand right now. We also carry 3M.
And so the prices you gave me, are those for XPEL or for 3M?
Those are for XPEL. With 3M, we only have the higher product quality, like crystalline.
Okay,
So
awesome.
It's more expensive.
All right, cool. Well, I appreciate the information. I'll be giving you guys a call back.
It's my pleasure.
All right, bye. All right, so very, very standard phone call in our industry. You guys have to understand that normal sucks, but I'm not being mean. It was a very normal phone call. It wasn't bad, it was just normal. He wasn't very friendly, and he didn't use any sales skills, meaning he didn't build any rapport. He didn't get to know me at all, okay? The only question that he asked me, from my recollection, was, does it already have window film on there? He wasn't asking me why I was getting it done. He wasn't asking me if I just got the car. Then when I said that I was gonna call around, he didn't try to overcome that objection, and that's what I wanna do this series for, so that you have something, some tools in your tool belt to overcome the objection. I need to talk to my wife. I'm gonna keep calling around. I mean, he didn't put up any fight, so to speak, when I said I wanted to call around. Then the other thing, massive room for improvement. When I ask a shop what makes them different from their competitors, you need to know exactly what makes you different. He said, I would say our experience. We're the pioneers. We use a high-end film. So he didn't really know. He was just looking and saying what most other shops would say. You guys, most shops are gonna say quality and experience and lifetime warranty. None of us are gonna say we do bad quality and offer a bad experience. So it's not unique. So let's go ahead and call another shop.
Yes, I can help you.
Yeah, I was wondering if I could get a price quote.
So what do you have?
A 2008 Prius.
So there's 4 choices that I have. The basic film is $175. Then I got carbon film, it's $225. Ceramic is $325, and then premium ceramic is $425. And then you can do whatever shade you want. It's all the same price.
What type of film is it?
I use solar free on the basic and the carbon, and then on the ceramics I use Reno, the S5 and the S7.
When's your soonest availability?
You can now if you want.
Cool. All right, I don't think I have time today, but are you guys going to be back in the shop after Christmas?
We're here tomorrow and the day after.
Oh,
Christmas.
So you're not closing down at all this week?
Oh no, I'm gonna close on Christmas Day. That's it.
Oh, okay. Roger that. Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so we'll be here tomorrow.
Awesome, thank you.
All right.
Bye. Okay, so real just standard, right? Not bad. He wasn't swearing at me. He wasn't calling names, but he didn't build any rapport. He didn't ask, did I just get the car? What color is it? Why do I want to get it tinted? Just straight to the prices. That's it. So here's the thing. In our industry, you guys, everyone gets frustrated that the customer makes it all about the price. these last two shops made it all about the price. I mean, that's all that the conversation was about the price. There was no, why am I getting it done? There was no, how long have I had the car? There was no prescribing me a certain film, right? They just said, we've got these prices, you choose. I think that it's best to treat yourself and think of yourself as a doctor, and you help prescribe people. I'm gonna suggest that people stop giving price quotes on the phone so much. The goal of a phone call is to get people to come down to your shop. Now, in the event that someone is demanding a price, they know exactly what they want, and we're going to talk about this after the next phone call. They know exactly what they want, and you do give someone a price on the phone. You're going to ask one of these three questions. How does that sound? Does that sound fair? Or does that make sense? And you're going to try to close. Neither one of these two shops so far tried to close me, meaning tried to get an appointment scheduled. So let's call one more and see what happens.
I
was wondering if I could get a price quote.
Okay, yes sir. What do you have?
I have a 2008 Prius.
Toyota Prius. What do you want? On Toyota Prius in the ceramic. Do you want the windshield too? No.
I hadn't thought about the windshield. Do you guys normally do the windshield?
Yeah, we do windshields. If you're trying to do the total package, we do a lot of windshields. Yeah, our price is so good with the film we use. That's why a lot of people are like, yep, do my windshield too.
Okay, yeah. Quote me for the windshield and let me know how much it would be without the windshield.
Okay, normally in the ceramic we charge $350. That's back inside. In ceramic, that's any color you want. The windshield is normally $150.
Okay.
Normally I give them a deal if they do the whole car. They bring me $450 cash. I do the whole car.
Okay.
Most of the guys are getting $600, $700 in ceramic on that.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the time I charge $150 for windshield. A lot of guys charge $200.
And what film do you use?
We use the Reno.
Reno. Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate the prices.
Okay, well, check around. And my name is Morris. If you decide you want it, I can hook you up because I work early hours, late hours, it don't matter.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Morris.
And your name, sir?
Austin.
Austin. Okay, Mr. Austin. I got you.
Thank you very much.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Way more friendly. Morris has got my business, not from being cheaper, but because he actually seems like he wants to be doing what he's doing. He asked for my name, which in itself builds rapport, just for asking for my name. Then in addition, he threw in that he works early, he works late, he likes doing what he's doing, and it sounds like that. And he's got the cheapest price. Now, not say I'm price shopping, but I would have honestly chose his shop even if he had the most expensive price, just based upon his tonality and his energy that he was putting off. So in this scenario, I'm going with call number 3. Neither one of them tried to close for an appointment though. Neither one of them asked, let me ask you this, what are you basing your decision on? Or if you don't mind me asking, what is it that you're looking for? Are you looking for someone to get it done as soon as possible? Are you just looking for the cheapest thing? Well, you know, if you give me a little bit more information, I might be able to help you make a decision. No one treated me as if they were trying to help me make a decision. They were just giving me the price. Now, what I wish I would have done is on the last two, I didn't ask what makes them different. But all in all, we've got a lot of progress that needs to be made in our industry so that you guys are confident in answering your phones and prepared to overcome price objections. You guys, imagine calling a contractor and asking, how much to build a house? What do you think they're gonna say? Well, we have lots of options. Here's what I wish more people would say. We pride ourselves on having something for every budget. Did you have a specific budget in mind? If any one of those shops asked me that, I would have been forced to either lie or say a budget that I had in mind. Then they would have been able to better direct me towards a specific film. Or if I said, no, I don't have a budget, that's the lie, right? Then when they gave me a price, they would be set up to close by saying, did one of those prices sound attractive to you? Remember these 3 questions. Does that sound fair? Does that make sense? How does that sound? That keeps the conversation going in the direction you want it to. Does that make sense? Keep those couple of tips in mind and stay tuned. We're going to be doing more of these videos.